Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to show you how to do the straight and crossover LAN cable. These are the tools you need. The first step we're going to do in straight LAN cabling is to peel off the cable. It's to show the 8 wires with the color sequence of white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, brown. It needs to be on this color sequence for straight LAN cabling. After arranging the colors, cut the wires and make these 8 wires with the same cut length. After that, you can now put the RJ45 and lock it using the crimping tool. Repeat the process on the other side of the cable with the same color sequence. Now, you can test the LAN cable using the tester. The lights on the both sides of the LAN tester should blink at the same time. The next we're going to do is the crossover LAN cabling. It's the same process with the straight LAN cabling, but instead of same color sequence for both ends, the crossover cablings both ends are different color sequence. In this video, the first color sequence of the other cable is white-green, green, white-orange, blue, white-blue, orange, white-brown, brown. You can now put the RJ45. You can lock it using the crimping tool. Make sure to crimp it properly. Repeat the process on the other end of the cable with this color sequence: white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, brown. Now, put the RJ45 and make sure to lock it properly using the crimping tool. Now, test the crossover LAN on the tester. The lights on the left side of the LAN tester should blink at a sequential order, while on the right side, the light should blink with the order of 3, 6, 1, 4, 5, 2, 7, 8.